So I'll tell you. So I've definitely wanted in a way that if, for example, tomorrow I'm not there, or Shruti is not there, or Miranda is not there, and there are newer people who are just there. If someone gets his card, so firstly, the first thing I told them is to start making everything in FDs.
Right.
Which is why they must have called you frantically.
Right.
They just put all his money in FDs. So in the card, there should not be more than 10-15 lakhs at any given point. That's one thing. Second thing is that money that he has, so that we can get some interest from it, so he doesn't start eating into his savings in the best case possible that you all can come up with.
Right.
And to safeguard his money in a way where only without his signature nothing can happen, like to break an FD.
So that's the immediate.
From city to
a smaller, you have probably not that big.
either their place or
Something else that-
something like that.
Or like there's a thought that Goa maybe, but that suggested that be in Patna for some time. See that, then first see Goa. Give it like 1 or 2 months before we finally decide that. But overall, he
on the
wants to
one hand,
feel
if you're having this
safeguarded.
conversation-
He's thinking of the future. Like he's worried about the future, and he wants that kind of safeguard that
I'm saying let's treat it as a something like a retirement thing.
I understand.
So how will I do it? I just want help.
Correct. So this is the first goal, is this money. Like whatever money he has, invested in a way that he gets some returns.
So that I know that this is the amount.
This is the amount he's
That you
getting
can
every
earn.
month, then he can plan accordingly to give up this house.
I don't mind going to a green secluded place like
Right.
Goa.
Right.
Pavna.
Stay.
You were quite happy whenever you've gone to Pavna, I
Pavna.
remember. So we're there for days till I was like, what is going on?
So that's just.
Whatever is going to give you peace of mind.
So the attempt is now that in 1 or 2 days we go to Pavna and set him up there and see how he feels in a couple of days.
Okay.
Once he's certain after a month, I'm peaceful here. I want to be here mostly.
Decide if you should.
Then we can start talking about getting rid of this house and speaking to the owner.
Yeah, we can have the plan of, I think, how to. But I hardly go out of my room.
Right.
Yeah.
No, that I'm sure we'll be able to work
It's a
something.
fair thing. But yeah, it's a long life. So if working again, it has to be a goal post that you have to achieve.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So I'll have my intellectual curiosity to take care
Right.
of that. But not in terms of any economic commitment.
Right.
Because this kind of frame of mind, like one day I feel something and the second day I feel something else about work. So I cannot be wasting others' time at all.
Right.
So like that, if we could plan once, then
We'll figure something. We'll figure something.
Yeah.
We'll tell you. Just give us 2 days.
okay.
We are the best people.
Saviors.
Saviors. Have we taken any signing amounts from any
We've
brands?
taken signing amounts. From Titan we've taken from
renewal
Sonilex,
के लिए ना?
yes.
That we know.
So he's feeling like he can't shoot those.
Titan or
Ads.
कौन
But
सा?
Titan का
Sonilex,
कुछ
उस
deliverable
दिन जो
नहीं है
मिलके
ना?
गए थे उनसे ले लिया
Titan
है.
has just taken an extension to use the same image, so I don't think we have any commitment to shoot anything.
No, it's an extension
give
for 1 day
social
shoot.
media. Oh, there is- there's 1 day.
There's 1 day
Correct,
shoot.
correct.
So they've been asking us for a date post 24th Jan. We've been postponing it in terms of send us creatives first, then we'll give you dates.
But you don't think even 1 day will be able to shoot?
I was telling him, telling him,
March
make hay while this month here is there. Whatever few endorsements, at least do it. Add more to the
But he
kitty.
should be able to do it.
But he should be able to do it. Exactly.
If he was
No,
able
it's
to
his
do it,
call
On a
ultimately.
good day, you can do it.
इससे नहीं हो रहा है तो नहीं हो रहा है.
Yeah, 1 day.
Yeah, so that,
See, right now
that
he
steps
only
will
had his
take-
money open.
Yeah.
Few FDs have been made now, and some are in mutual funds, and some are still open.
It was badly managed
To be
earlier.
honest,
We just have to be
we are
managed
also
it well.
not the highest
I know, but I'm saying
I would not
for
put
someone
money
like
in
me,
as many
who
FDs.
when I know that it's just there, all I can suggest is
Yes,
make it
every
here
month.
and
The rate of
immediately
interest is so
FD.
low that we only put a certain amount and then we did not.
Right.
Rather than it being
What
open in a
happened?
card, which I don't know who the hell will have that card at any given point.
So we had
I
plans
thought
to
this
shift
is
him from
But even
Kotak
on
Privy to
cards-
Kotak Bill.
All
They
that,
will shift.
yeah.
They will manage the asset like an AMC
Yeah.
does. or a private or an ASK advisor.
Coffee now.
Because these guys also Kotak also will make money on
Yes.
will take commission and all.
Everybody does. It's just a question of who will make lesser commission. The people who charge $1 lakh a year and they're happy. Somebody who charges 0.05.
You also want to give everything in one person's hands, right? You just talk and diversify it as much as you can.
Sure.
I mean, I don't know if there's enough to even just buy a small, like, to invest in a small property. Just in case the cards come in someone else's hands, right?
Really
Don't keep an
swipe
open-ended
limit.
limit on cards.
No, anyway, I'm saying the card should never have more than 10 lakh rupees.
No, what she's talking about is different.
Either in a
Daily
swipe,
swipe limit, yeah.
There is a limit.
Oh, there is a
per
limit.
swipe.
Yeah, so we have two cards here. One is a small card, one is the larger one. Larger one is his that has a 5 lakh limit, and the smaller one has a 50 grand limit.
I'm just saying, what can we do to just ensure that I stop spending money that I
So
spend?
we have this list of expenses that you incur every month, right? Right from this house to employees to cars to everything. And currently, status of this corpus, assuming there's no further income, it's difficult or impossible rather to even sustain that kind of expenditure. So you need to cut down whichever can be cut down immediately and start saving money. So money
So this house, probably, but since it's a new license and he has a deposit, maybe we'll have to speak to the...
We can speak and get out of it.
We can
If
speak
the
and get
decision
out
is
of
to
it.
get out of it, we get out of it. Maybe we...
But I was just saying, for that call to happen, for the decision to happen, maybe in a month we can start talking to the owner.
Yeah, and I'm thinking in good faith we can even start helping him find another
Correct.
tenant because it's
Yeah.
happened to me also. I've been in a situation where you wanted to get out.
As soon as I get an idea about
So we can park this for Wednesday or Thursday. Cool. If it 14th would be a off kind of thing.
Yeah.
Sankaran thing.
Wednesday. For
Wednesday.
my birthday, for sure. 21st.
Wednesday, what time would it be?
I am okay on my Wednesday is open, so
If you want me
For
around,
you as a gift.
Done.
Take it.
evening.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How about
Security is a
that?
great
First we
gift.
keep it last meeting of the day. That should be all right.
Wednesday around 7ish.
So my birthday
No,
gift will
no,
be a
Wednesday
great
is a
portfolio.
Oh,
that
sorry,
you-
I don't have your birthday.
One of my clients is working to mix us on not
Gift
there,
is
so
the
maybe Thursday.
portfolio that
Oh, this can be devised. I'll call the investor guy in fact now once I leave from here.
साथ में डिस्कस करके आ जाओ.
I'll tell you.
If we have, say, 10 rupees that has to go in this trust, and suppose you want to make an FD or a mutual fund of it, that still the trustees can
The trustees will
the
decide what is
trustees
best.
will decide.
will decide what is best
Best,
to be
yeah,
done.
which
with it.
has a better return rate and which less risky. And you can define all that. It can be a
whoever you-
simple or a huge document as critical as complicated.
But see, this is the worst case scenario.
Yeah. I personally
I
feel
also
that
personally feel like we can come to this conclusion after a month.
Yeah.
That's what I in fact told her, that give it 5-6 months here initially with Pavna. Because you have the place.
And we're paying rent and it's
And
not
then
that
you go to Goa and see
compared
if you
to what
want
we have
for a
here.
month.
Yeah.
I was saying that it was too expensive.
Which one?
The Pavna place, for Pavna standards it may be expensive,
for
but
Pavna
for the
standard, it's
property
expensive.
and
It's
he
fine.
seems to be enjoying it. And
Yeah.
it's
So I
done
don't know
well.
the size of the property. We checked with some person who lives
Yeah.
there and owns the property. The area rate is 50-60 lakhs an acre.
Yeah.
So I don't know how big this
But
property
it's
is.
done, it's made well. There's like a river also close by, right? We have
lake.
access to the
There's
lake.
a Pavna dam or whatever.
You can give him an idea of how much money he can get every month from
Well,
returns.
ballpark, I give you a number of 5 lakhs a month.
We'll be able to get that.
Yeah,
Which is
that's a ballpark number. That's beyond that would be difficult.
On an investment of?
Of-
What will be the return? percentage?
Well, we are taking just not even 9 to 12% per annum,
Okay.
and after taxes, you will be left with 5 lakhs a month.
So
We could
about
have a higher rate of return when the risk increases. Yeah.
these are the policies.
no, because you can. If that policy is mature, then we'll get that money.
Oh, no.
There's
I'm
no
wondering if
insurance
his parents-
policy.
We got him a life insurance that is maturing.
We haven't seen
all.
that in the
There is
books.
no
Yeah,
life
nothing in the
insurance.
books that we have seen.
He has health insurance.
I can let go of these fancy cars that I've bought.
Yeah, he can sell the Maserati.
We will
Hold
lose
on.
money. Yeah,
We
it's just
don't
too,
need to
too
make
quick.
such extreme decisions. Just relax. If there is enough of a corpus, we'll make it work.
We'll save a
everyone
few
and
lakhs,
put our
right?
heads together and diversify it as much and find you money that you need every month.
The
What
car
is
will
a
not
good
even
income?
fetch you
What is a
50.
good number for you? Is it 8 to 10 lakhs? Is it 7 lakhs? What is it? Tell us. We'll work backwards. But don't start